Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 no. Come here. Get that, folks. Nice fish. I caught 2 or 3 of them. There we go, double up while we were.
15 seconds I was standing still looking at Big Nate's fish. My fish is at least 6 pounds.
Look at that belly.
I thought you picked my brother.